Hi, welcome to DHS. This is our project 14. It's an infrared control LED. It's an IR remote control LED. See, this is a circuit diagram for this. For this project, we need one LED bulb, one 220 ohm resistor, and one IR receiver diode. So here is the components. This is the IR receiver diode. See, this pin is for 5 volt. This is ground pin, and this pin is for B output. You can see this. Then this is the LED bulb, and this is a 220 ohm resistor, and these are Arduino board, and this is a small breadboard, and this is the IR remote by which we have to control this. So now I will connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. The connections here. The positive leg of the LED, we have to connect the resistor in a series. From the resistor one end to pin number 10. 8, 9, 10. Now from that LED one end, we have to connect to ground. See, 10, 11, 12, 13, ground. Connections are done. Now I have to connect this IR receiver diode. So from the 5 volt, we have to connect it to the 5 volt. Then the middle one is ground, as I told. From the middle one, to connect it to the ground, and from the B output, we have to connect it to pin number 11. So the connections is done. Now, so this is the program for this IR remote control LED. So first we have to check the program is correct or not. So we can go for the verification. So the program is correct. Now we have to upload it to the board. Connecting. Now to upload it to the board by pressing the uploading button. Yeah, it is uploaded. Now you can see. Once I am pressing the power button, the LED is switching on. Again I am pressing, the LED switch off. See. And see here. In the serial monitor, we can see when I am pressing this power button,